Nau Mai anō. Ko whakatū rōpū waiata hou tētahi o ngā pou I tū ai te rōpū reggae rongonui o Katchafire. Ko te rōpū hou nei, ko raiwa ko tana tama, ko tā raiwa kaupapa, ko te whānau me te whakapapa. Ka tahi anō raiwa ka whakarewa ake I tā raiwa waiata reo Māori tuatahi, e pāna ki te kotahitanga me te whakawhanaungatanga. Ana I tūtaki au I a raiwa I kirikiriroa. Ko te moemoea o te matua kia tū ki te atamira me tana tamauti, ko tutuki taua moemoea e nei tokorua.
It's the fulfillment of a goal. All the Katchafire boys, we all just wanted our kids, something better for our kids. I thought better would be not doing music. Go and be a doctor or be a plumber, you know, like what he's doing. But it's just in him here, so it's just, I'm glad I'm here with him.
I hangaia mai te pēne Katchafire I runga I te kaupapa o te whānau, nā kua timata mai ia I taua wahanga hou me tana ake tama I tōna taha.
You know, I am the son of a member of Katchafire, so there is a lot of pressure there, but for me, I don't see it as pressure, I kind of see it as a head start.
Hua mai ai te ingoa o te pēne Sun and Water I ngā wāhi e tino tau ai raiwa, arā ko te noho ki te taiao.
There's that blend of that real old school, you know, rootsy reggae. We take a lot from you know, the likes of Hawaii and all the poly reggae artists. And I think merging that roots and poly together, that's going to be a really cool sound we can offer to everyone.
Ko tā raiwa nā waiata hou hei kuhunga tuatahi mā raiwa ki te reo Māori. E raranga ana I ngā kaupapa o te kotahitanga te aroha me te tūranga waiwai.
For me, I want to kind of make Māori really, really common in my household. So that was one, like that's one point I'm trying to get across. You know, I want the language to be spoken more often around me.
Hei tā te pēne mā te tauawhi te reo e para ai te huarahi whakamua ki te ahurea me te whanaungatanga.
For us, because we're not fluent, you know, it was a big uncomfortable call. And it took us out and we grew from it. Dad busted out more Māori out than I've ever heard him speak while we were in the studio. I didn't realise that he could speak it so well. You know, he was the main man suggesting stuff and it all made sense. Yeah, that's one thing I learned about him. I didn't know that.
Hei tā raiwa, he konga noi ho tēnei I ngā waiata, ka whai mai. Mārena Mane, te Karere.